One of my favorite brand O2O have sent me their new launch press on nails. I have chosen two different styles and two different colors. The most impressive thing is that you don't need any tools for applying it. It doesn't hurt your natural nails. You can apply anytime and can be used multiple times. In one pack you get 24 nails. You can adjust the nails by your natural nail size, and I love the quality and the colors are so good. It's so comfortable and looks very stylish. This style is one of my favorite. Look how beautiful they are looking. You don't need any expensive acrylics. You can just apply the O2O press on nails and your hands will look beautiful. All colors are my favorite.
Click on shop now to place your order.